In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gtin in Shopify 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to put your product's GTT in, so your listings sync correctly with sales channels like Google, and your inventory stays clean and searchable. First, open your Shopify admin and sign in. From your dashboard, head straight to products. This is where all your items live. Choose the product you want to update. If the product has variants like different sizes or colors, open the specific variant you want to edit, since each variant can have its own identifier. Next, scroll to the inventory section on the product or variant page. You'll see two important fields here, SKU and barcode. It's helpful to know the difference. SKU is your internal stock keeping unit, something you create to track and organize products in your own system. Barcode is where the GTN goes. GTIN stands for Global Trade Item Number, and it's the standardized code used by retailers and platforms worldwide. Common formats include UPCs in the US and Canada, EANs in many other countries, and ISBNs for books. If you're selling through Google, Amazon, or other marketplaces, they often require a valid Gtin to improve product matching and visibility. Click into the SKU field if you need to review or maintain your internal code, but don't confuse it with the GTIN. Then click the barcode field, which Shopify labels as barcode, ISBN, UPC, GTIN, etc. Type your GTIN exactly as issued, digits only, no spaces or dashes, and make sure to include any leading zeros. Accuracy matters. Even a single missing digit can cause your product to be rejected by sales channels. If you're adding a GTIN to a variant, repeat this in each variant's barcode field so every variant has the correct identifier. A few quick tips before you finish: only use legitimate GTINs assigned to your brand or product. If you don't have one, obtain it from the official source, GS1, rather than inventing numbers. Use the same GTIN consistently across platforms so your listings stay in sync. For bundles or multi-packs, be sure you're using the correct GTIN for that specific configuration. And if you previously entered barcodes with formatting, remove spaces to match the exact digits. When you're done, click Save at the top to apply the change. That's it. You've added a GTN to your product in Shopify, which helps with channel approval, search visibility, and reliable inventory tracking.